Today, we're going to crochet this Dream Garden bracelet using Susan's Family Color 3 lace yarn, Color 5 lace yarn, and a 1mm crochet hook. Take out our darkest color, make a slip knot, and chain 11. After completing 11 stitches, hold down the base stitch, yarn over 4 times into the 5th chain, from the hook, which is the stitch we just held down. Work 1 double crochet, then a DC3 bobble stitch, and another single crochet in the same position. I'm keeping them all the same length, then pull through with the yarn. This completes our first pattern repeat. We'll use 11 chains plus 1 DC3 bobble as a pattern set, repeating this group 5 times total. Crochet it around your own hand. You can add or skip a group as needed. I crocheted 4 groups plus 11 chains. Take out our light purple yarn, make a slip knot, and chain 16. After finishing, chain 7 more, then work a single crochet into the second chain from the hook. Next stitch, half double crochet. Next stitch, double crochet. Half double crochet. Single crochet. Last stitch, chain 1. This forms one pattern repeat, 16 chains plus 1 leaf. We'll crochet 4 to 5 repeats total. Adjust according to your wrist size. I made 4 leaves plus 16 chains, totaling 5 repeats. Don't cut the yarn yet, we'll trim it later when assembling. Take out light pink yarn, make a slip knot, then chain 4. Work a double crochet into the second chain from the hook. Chain 4 more, then work another double crochet into the second chain from the hook. It should look like this. Work a double crochet into the second chain, from the hook, slightly loose. Crochet about 21 total, adjust according to your wrist size. Use light blue yarn to chain 1 strand matching this length. After finishing, sew on small accessories. I chained 72 stitches, then sewed on these beads. Finally secure with a clip and braid loosely like a 4-strand braid. With accessories and bracelet beads added, this Dream Garden bracelet is completed crocheting.